no. I attracted the wild one. Look at those colors. One catch blue flying in. He's burying them in the bushes. I love the rain. Oh, there he goes, like a bullet, so fast. And I'm not. You wet bird, you. Pretty bird. Pretty, 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 pretty bird. I can't sing very well. My voice is shot today. Look at those colors. I know, I'm addicted to foliage. That's why I can never leave Connecticut. I guess they got all eaten up. He's waiting for more. Look how wet. He's in the bushes burying things. This bird is busy. Busy taking care of his family.